Today I want to try to fire this. Something's up. Diaphragm might be hard enough. Pop this cover off here. This is an SDC carb. It's supposed to be pretty good for this model. I don't know if it was an upgrade or some models came with it. Well, we'll pull this top cover off and check the diaphragm, see if it's crunchy. Might have to get a carb kit for it. Yeah, it's a little bit crunchy. But I definitely have gas right there. I don't see anything plugging up the screen. Double check that. Nope, screen looks clean. Throw this back on here for now. I don't think I have another SDC kit around here. Probably have to order one. I'll give it another go. The diaphragm with the small flaps in it, it's a little bit crunchy. This is probably a futile effort here, but I wanted to fire it for you guys so you could hear it. I did have it running probably 6 months ago. Soak up some of this fuel. And we'll just try it with a little choke. Promising. One more little shot down the throat. See if it takes off. I think we're gonna have to do some carb work on that. Looks like I had a small bar with a 404 pitch and a small chain. We'll see if I can get that to work on here. I'd like to try something. I'll have to go through this thing, sharpen it up, get the rakers set, all that. But for right now, I'll see if I can make this bar fit. Have to get some spacers on there for sure. But it's a short bar. It's gonna need to be tuned up a lot. But at least maybe I can get it on there and make a couple cuts. It's either that or I gotta buy something new. Stay tuned. We'll get this thing cutting eventually. Thanks for watching.